The Yautja are one of the most physically and biologically formidable species in the galaxy. Every aspect of their physiology, senses, and anatomy exists to make them apex hunters. To understand why they are such effective predators, we must examine their strength, skeletal and muscular systems, sensory adaptations, healing capabilities, metabolism, and longevity. Their strength is nothing short of extraordinary. Yautja muscles are densely packed, far beyond human capacity, optimized for both explosive and sustained force. In prey, the feral predator confronts a full-grown grizzly. The bear charges, slams into the predator, clawing and biting with immense force. The Yautja grapples, is briefly driven to the ground, and then regains leverage. Once the bear dies, its body goes limp, and the predator effortlessly lifts it overhead. A mature grizzly can weigh between 700 and 1,200 pounds, with some subspecies exceeding 1,500. Lifting such a mass cleanly, stabilizing it, and holding it aloft demonstrates not just raw strength, but unparalleled stabilizer muscle control, tendon resilience, and core biomechanics. Gorillas, the strongest primates, cannot match this combination of power and precision. The Yautja's upper body and full body mechanics clearly exceed any terrestrial apex predator. Their skeletal system is reinforced, combining dense bone with chitin-like reinforcement in critical areas. This provides resistance to blunt force, falls, and combat trauma. Muscles are connected to tendons designed to absorb high stress, which explains how they can lift massive weights and stabilize struggling prey without injury. The Yautja's skin functions as a biological armor. It is heat-resistant, abrasion-resistant, and partially bullet-resistant, allowing them to withstand extreme environmental conditions and combat injuries. Combined with dense musculature and reinforced bones, this makes them almost impervious to ordinary weaponry. Their dreadlocks are not ornamental. They act as neural sensory extensions, detecting subtle vibrations, temperature changes, and electromagnetic shifts. This gives the Yautja incredible spatial awareness, allowing them to track prey, maintain balance, and react faster than any human could. Internally, the Yautja's circulatory system is unique. Many lore sources indicate a dual heart or multi-chamber system, allowing survival even after severe trauma. Their metabolism is optimized for bursts of extreme activity, combined with the ability to function in lower oxygen environments and across atmospheres with varying gas compositions. This system also supports the energy demands of their incredible muscular output and healing capabilities. The Yautja's vision is extraordinary. They can perceive infrared, ultraviolet, and electromagnetic signatures, in addition to thermal imaging. Their eyes, augmented by masks, allow them to track prey across forests, urban landscapes, or alien terrains. Even partial occlusion of visual input rarely hinders them because their dreadlocks and other sensory inputs supplement perception. Healing is another defining feature. Yautja blood clots nearly instantly. They possess accelerated tissue regeneration, allowing them to recover from deep lacerations, impalements, or burns. Field medkits contain biofoam, cauterizing agents, bone staples, and regenerative compounds. A predator can self-administer these treatments while maintaining mobility and combat readiness. Pain tolerance is extreme. They continue hunting and fighting despite injuries that would incapacitate humans. Yautja endurance and stamina are remarkable. They can run, climb, and fight without fatigue comparable to humans. Their energy-efficient metabolism supports sustained activity and rapid recovery. Even in harsh environments, their bodies maintain peak performance. Longevity completes the picture. Yautja live for centuries. Young bloods are typically 50 to 100 years old. Full-blooded hunters reach 100 to 300 years, elites 300 to 500, and elders over 600. Age does not significantly reduce physical capability. Elders remain lethal, with experience enhancing tactical decision-making and hunting efficiency. Long life also allows their culture to prioritize honor and reputation across generations. Every aspect of Yautja biology is tuned for the hunt. Their strength, sensory adaptations, healing, and endurance enable them to dominate almost any environment. They can track prey across difficult terrain, survive injuries that would kill most species, and maintain combat capability for extended periods. Even their code of honor complements biology, guiding them to confront worthy prey while exploiting their natural advantages strategically. The Yautja are not merely hunters by training or culture. Their biology has evolved or been engineered to make them apex predators. Their combination of strength, resilience, sensory superiority, regenerative ability, and longevity ensures that they remain unmatched, feared, and revered across the galaxy. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Yautja biology, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which predator lore topic you want next. This has been Predator's Codex. Until next time, the hunt continues.